Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a heated debate that's been around forever. Index funds versus real estate, which builds wealth faster? And trust me, by the end of this video, you might just change your entire financial strategy. Let's get into it. First up, index funds. These are like the set it and forget it superheroes of investing. They track a market index like the S&P 500, and historically, they've returned about 7 to 10% annually after inflation. That's solid. But here's the thing. It's boring. Like watching paint dry, boring. You just throw money in, wait 20 to 30 years, and hope the market doesn't crash. Oh, and the best part? You can start with as little as $100. No banks, no loans, no drama. Just you, your laptop, and a dream. Wait, did I just fall asleep talking about index funds? Yeah, that's the downside. It's slow. But hey, slow and steady wins the race, right? Now let's talk about real estate. This is where things get spicy. Real estate is tangible. You can see it, touch it, and even live in it. Plus, it's got multiple ways to make money. Rental income, appreciation, tax benefits, the list goes on. But here's the catch. It's not passive. At least not at first. You've got to find the property, get financing, deal with repairs, and oh yeah, tenants. Ever had a tenant call you at 2 a.m. because the toilet's clogged? Yeah, not fun. Speaking of toilets, let's just say real estate isn't all sunshine and rainbows. But if you do it right, the returns can be insane. Some investors see 10 to 15% annual returns, or even more if they're flipping houses. All right, let's compare these two head to head. Index funds, pros: easy to start, low maintenance, historically reliable returns. Cons: boring, slow growth, no control over the market. Real estate, pros: high returns, multiple income streams, tangible asset. Cons: requires upfront capital, time intensive, risky. So which one's better? Well, it depends. If you're looking for something hands-off and low stress, index funds might be your jam. But if you're willing to put in the work, real estate can build wealth way faster. But here's the twist. What if I told you you don't have to choose? Yep, you can do both. Start with index funds to build a solid foundation, then use the profits to invest in real estate. Boom. Best of both worlds. Or you could just throw all your money into crypto and hope for the best. Just kidding. Please don't do that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more money-making tips. Until next time, stay smart, stay wealthy, and remember, the best time to start building your future was yesterday. The second best time? Right now.